Welcome to Tech and Home Chronicles, where smart living meets simple solutions. This is the KitchenAid Artisan 5-quart stand mixer, an iconic kitchen tool built for everything from cookies to bread dough. In this video, I'll break down the good and the bad so you can decide if it's worth it. The good starts with its durable all-metal construction and 59 touchpoints around the bowl, giving you consistent and thorough mixing results. The 5-quart stainless steel bowl with handle is large enough to make up to 9 dozen cookies in one batch, and it's dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. The tilt-head design makes it simple to add ingredients or scrape the bowl, while the head locks in place for stable mixing. With 10 speeds, you can handle everything from gently stirring to whipping cream in seconds. And one of its biggest selling points, over 20 color options. You can match it to your kitchen style and personality, making it both functional and decorative. On the downside, the price is high compared to other stand mixers. At over 20 pounds, it's not easy to move, so it's best to leave it on the counter. And while it's excellent for baking, you'll need to purchase attachments separately for tasks like pasta making or meat grinding. So, is it worth it? If you bake often and want a reliable, long-lasting mixer that's as stylish as it is powerful, the KitchenAid Artisan is one of the best choices out there. But if you only bake occasionally, a more affordable mixer might be enough. Check the description for the product link and possible deals. And as always, do your own research before buying. Like and subscribe for more quick, honest reviews. We cover a new category every day of the week, right here on Tech and Home Chronicles. Thank you very much, and I'll see you next time.